Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone 15 so the gesture registers. Once unlocked, place your finger near the top right corner where the battery icon sits, then swipe down in a firm, deliberate motion. Make sure you don't start from the very edge or from the center of the screen. That triggers the home or gestures. If an app blocks the gesture, dismiss it or pause video playback first. This initial motion is the only reliable opener for Control Center on iPhone 15. Once you have Control Center open, you can tailor it for speed. Exit to Settings, tap Control Center, and add items you use most. Wi-Fi, flashlight, and screen recording are common. Make sure to drag the 3-line handle to position critical controls at the top of the panel so they're reachable with one hand. Once done, return and practice opening the panel again. Muscle memory is key. You'll understand why ordering and removal matter when you need a function instantly. You finish by learning the tap mechanics. A single tap activates most toggles, while a firm press or long press reveals deeper controls like brightness or audio output. If Control Center fails to open, restart the phone first. That fixes most gesture issues. Make sure Do Not Disturb or guided access isn't blocking gestures. If problems persist, go to Settings and reset network or reset all settings as a last resort. That preserves data, but clears custom gestures and preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.